Chief Engineer Thelkar had designed starships for 3 centuries. He'd worked with crystalline energy matrices, quantum field generators, and gravity wells that bent space like wet paper. He considered himself the galaxy's foremost expert on spacecraft design. Then he saw the human schematics. "This can't be real," he muttered, mandibles clicking in distress. "This violates everything." His assistant, a young VRYNN named Ninelaw, peered at the holographic blueprint. "What am I looking at?" "A human warship," Thelkar said. "They call it destroyer. Look at the power distribution." Ninelaw studied the design, then recoiled. "The reactor is exposed. External. That's suicide." "It gets worse. The armor plating. They use depleted uranium, radioactive material, as armor. That's toxic to the crew. Humans have higher radiation tolerance," Thelkar explained weakly. "Death world evolution." "But look here, the weapons systems." The railgun specifications made Ninelaw's scales pale. "They're using controlled explosions to propel solid metal slugs? That's primitive." "Primitive and terrifyingly effective," Thelkar corrected. "Our shields are designed to disperse energy weapons. These just punch through. Mass and velocity. Basic physics weaponized." He zoomed in on another section. "And this, they cool their reactors with hydrogen." "Hydrogen? An explosive coolant. Why would anyone design a ship where a coolant leak causes an explosion?" "Because humans accept calculated risks we'd never consider." Thelkar pulled up more files. "Look at their life support systems. Recycled water, recycled air, recycled waste. Everything is used, reused, then used again. It's horrifically efficient." The Galactic Engineering Council had invited humanity to submit designs for the new Joint Defense Fleet. They'd expected elegant solutions, refined technology, perhaps some primitive but charming attempts. They got nightmares. "This fighter design," Council member Zextol said at the emergency meeting, "has no shields." Human engineer Sarah Park nodded. "Correct. Shields add weight and power drain. We prioritize speed and maneuverability instead. But the pilot is completely exposed to enemy fire. The pilot wears a pressure suit and the cockpit is reinforced," Park explained calmly. "If hit, the pilot has 14 seconds to eject. We found that not getting hit is more effective than hoping shields hold." "That's barbaric." "That's practical," Park countered. "Your shielded fighters are 40% slower. Ours are harder to hit in the first place." Thelkar raised another concern. "Your capital ship designs, they have manual overrides for every system. That's dangerous. Crew could override safety protocols." "Yes," Park agreed, "because automated systems can be hacked or fail. Humans can improvise." "Improvise?" "During combat. Especially during combat." Park pulled up combat footage. "Last month, one of our destroyers lost main power. The crew manually rerouted backup systems using spare parts and duct tape. They completed their mission." "Duct tape?" "Tilkas translator struggled. Adhesive repair material. Very versatile." Park smiled. "Every human ship carries approximately 200 meters of it. It's considered essential equipment." The council sat in stunned silence. "Your ships are held together with tape?" Zextol finally managed. "Only in emergencies," Park said. "Usually we use proper repairs. But human engineering philosophy is simple. Build things that can break and be fixed rather than things that can't break but can't be repaired." Thelkar pulled up the human cargo hauler designs. "These ships have no redundant life support." "Too expensive," Park said. "We calculated that adding redundancy costs more than the statistical risk of system failure." "Everything can kill you," Park said matter-of-factly. "Cars, stairs, electricity, swimming pools. Humans accept that risk is part of existence. We build things that are good enough, not perfect. Good enough." Thelkar's voice rose. "Your destroyer design has 17 single points of failure, and each one can be fixed with tools carried on board," Park countered. "Your elegant designs require specialized facilities to repair. Ours can be patched in the field with a welder and determination." The council adjourned. 3 hours later, they reconvened. "We've reviewed All human submissions, Zextol announced. The consensus is unanimous. Human designs are